fuck, man. My mic was muted. Jesus Christ, I was talking to myself. Ha! All right. Real quick, we're going to do this again. Thanks for the heads up. Real quick, SWRM flipped back and forth nearly a million shares yesterday, once by 125s. AXA removed the shell. He was fucking with me this morning. Boris, I can't believe I stated this all for nothing. It was muted. From I want to say 7:30, 7:45, he messaged me anywhere from 8 a.m. He's like, what's a shell? So I'm like, what do you mean? You own a fucking stock. You're a publicly traded company. He goes, I don't see it. What's a shell? He goes, we're not a shell. So I'm looking. I'm like, no, you guys aren't. I'm looking. I can't find it. So I respond to a couple of my followers on Twitter that's in AXA. I'm like, hey, I send them a message. I can't find a shell on AXA. Do you see it? If you do, let me know. So then I go back to my message with Boris at AXA Group. And he goes, oh, I'm just messing with you. Shell was removed. I just wanted to share the news with you. Thank you. He was messing with me this morning, which is great thing to tell us. EXBX looks like she's going higher. Could happen today, could happen about a week from now. That's EXBX. And I'm just saying everything because now we have 3 minutes left. I'm not going to go back and forth. VRUS, remember, she looks like she wants to go to at least 3. Your orders, if she breaks 2-1, you want to sell. Okay, this is my opinion. You can hold her. But I think this is a hold. You should not jump the gun and get out. If you sell half, fine. Let it be. I understand it's at 2.5 right now. You should take profits, but I believe you have more room to go. Okay, and now I'm just trying to, everything that I spoke about, I'm trying to give the rundown because my mic was on mute. And thanks for the heads up, guys. PURA, that sideways trading worked out, right? We got 2 minutes left. Let me do this. Remember yesterday we spoke about PURA, and after that dip, and I said, well, she could bounce here. And if she goes up right away, look for resistance right here. But if you trade sideways to upward momentum, that's good for her. That's healthy for her. She can head higher. And that's what she did. She just didn't bounce right up right after that, right? She pretty much, after the up move, just traded sideways and upward momentum. That's healthy for her. CMGO, remember, last thing, and I'm going to leave it up here. CMGO. All right, she has dipped right here. Remember, we said, oh, this is her support. If she breaks, she could crack. She did crack. We saw low. She cracked right here, and we didn't get out. You know why? Because I was down like $700+. So if I'm down 200 and I'll execute, that's fine. I'll take a $200 loss. Not a $700,000, $800,000 loss. So I refused to sell. I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'll wait another month. Okay, they're reporting news. If it needs to bounce, rest, breathe, and then go up, I will wait. Okay, but. And then when I say this, the last 20 minutes of the stock, she should rebound. Based on my analysis and based on my understanding, she should rebound. What happened the last 20 minutes before the trading day? She rebounded, right? You can see that from 7.5 back to 9.5. Great. Now, let's see if she could hold here and pop. If she could pop here and break yesterday's high, if she could break pretty much 1-1, yesterday's high, she will chase down 1.2s, 1.3s, maybe even 1.4s, okay, for the day. But we have to see if she will head higher or this is just a reaction, bounce reaction for sellers to push her down this morning. All right, so there's about a minute left, less than a minute. Here goes the markets open. I just gave you guys the rundown. There you go. You see 1.6s, 1.4, 1.46s, 1.52 at the bid on AXA. You see right here, CMGO, 9.1s, 9.4s printing. Yeah, we got pretty. Here you go. AXA shell remove. Well 4, well 5. You could see that right here. 1.3 now. Let's see what's going on. And you could see these shorts are trying to do something. I guess I don't know. The shell is removed yet. 211,000 shares traded. I'll find out real soon. Pay attention to CMGO. Let's see which way she wants to battle. Okay. This is a very important time frame right here. Is this just a bounce up to continue this downward trend? All right, let's see. Okay, this is a very, she could go either way right here. Okay, this is very important for her. This is a 50-50 chance she can go higher or this is her top. So we'll find out. Look at this. We'll find out real soon. Look at it. Look how the tape's fighting. 1.3s by 1.4s over here. You see 1.4s after the shell removed. That's where she pretty much closed. But she gapped up today. All right, her first print was 149. We see that right here. Okay, 211,000 shares traded right now. Okay, let's see if AXA printed at the open. HDII printed, hemp printed. So it's hemp doing, hemp is battling, staying above 2 cents. SWRM printed 124s at the open. All right, so here we go, 83 by 85 CMGO. Let's see if we could get another bounce here, or is she done? All right, we'll find out right now. Is she done, or she needs a breather? Okay, so we're gonna wait and see. All right, we're gonna wait and see for CMGO. Jumping the gun right now is a little too early for CMGO. Yeah, she dipped down, but you know, here's 1, 2, 3. She could pretty much, I want to say around 8. What's that? Around 8-1, 8-2 find support. Okay, so or over here, but I'll give it as low as, I want to say right here. Okay, so looking for support around there, maybe 8s. To bounce off of, but let's see if that happens. All right, we have to give her time. You know, it's at the open, things can move dramatically, and then after that, you know, they can move back dramatically. Yeah, so let's see what she does. PCLI lighting up the board this morning. Same thing with Papa, PAPA. You want to see what PCLI looks like? Let me show you. There you go. Nothing special. Still 1 minute. Oh. Nothing worth looking at. 1-4 is taken out on AXA. 1-4 by 145. This is EXBX. You know, if you can get in at the bid at 1-4, that'd be fucking awesome right here. Yeah, I believe you could get it waiting at the bid. I don't think you should jump yet unless, you know, they get smacked out. All right, so let's go back into CMGO right now because that's more important. Okay, and you can see 8 9s, 9 1s, right back, guys. Patience, patience. And I'm sorry that I had my mic mute this morning. I was excited and didn't pay attention. Thank you for noticing that my mic was mute, so then I could unmute it. Had to give you guys a quick 5-minute rundown of everything I was talking about since like 9:15. All right, so I hope that helped. And you see, what's that? CBDL. Let's take a look. Printed 1.5 right here. Look at that. All right, 1,000 shares. I don't care. I don't care if it's 1,000 shares. All I care if it's an upprint. I want to make these shorts sweat. All right, there's a lot of shorts in CBDL. Okay, a lot of shorts that I want them to cover. Okay, hemp. Look at that. Fighting those 2s, guys. Fighting those 2s. Let's see if she can hold, because every time there's a green bar, she couldn't hold, right? And you see that. And they're constantly trying to hold those 2s. So let's see if she's successful today. All right, let's go back into CMGO, just because we want to keep our eyes on her, especially today. Okay. Definitely want to keep our eyes on CMGO today. Obviously, as well as AXA 1-3 by 145. Right back in that channel. Shell was removed. Now, we'll see what happens moving forward. I think a lot of people are waking up this morning and realizing the shell's removed after they post or see AXA's post. Yeah, so just be patient. I think more buyers are going to step in once they find out the shell's removed. It's not like there's a press release about it. All right, people who know are the people that are in it. Okay, so yeah, pretty much that's it, right? And then other people who know is the ones who tell others that it was removed. There's no press release on her, all right? But the shell is removed. Okay, so yeah. Give me a sec, guys. I got a few things popping up here. So shell is removed. News came out yesterday, and shell is removed today. Things are booming right now. Yeah, I gotta like this, you know, especially see, if you go look at OTC Shark, you'll see a bunch of people that is in AXA, and you'll see that, well, because these guys are heavy believers in AXA. So OTC Shark, you know, puts everybody in it, including AXA Group. You see myself in there as well. Yeah, so guys, just patience, patience, patience. CMGO 8 9s by 9 1s, 9 1 last print. AXA 149s going back there, baby, going back there. CMGO fighting back that tape, just took out 9 1s, 8 9s by 9 2s. All right, patience is a virtue. All right, you gotta be patient in certain positions. If you're trading penny stocks and you're basing these stocks on catalysts, they're position trades. All right, you cannot day trade a penny stock with low volume. For example, a penny stock that's trading 2 million, 5 million, maybe 10 million shares, it's gonna be kind of hard for you to get out of, especially if you have 500,000 shares plus. Okay. Now, for a penny stock that's trading 40, 60, 80 million shares, yeah, you can day trade that, okay? And CMGO 9294, like yesterday for CMGO, great day trading day for her. For today, probably not a great day trading day because a lot less volume than yesterday. 9294 CMGO's heading back, trying to head back to positive territory for the day. Let's see if she could do it. AXA 14 by 149. 92s are taken out of CMGO, and we're still climbing. All right, you gotta be patient, my friends. My friends, you need to be patient. All right, now especially the ones like now. If you don't get me wrong, if you got in at 4/10s, 5/10s, and she went to a petty, even 9/10s, and you sold for half or all, I give you credit. I would do the same thing. But if you got in, and if you got in up here, and you know, pretty much average down your shares maybe by like 3 times. Let's say you had 100,000 shares around here, and then you bought another 300,000 shares here or here, and she's right here, and you took off 50, 75% of your table off the table, and you made money, and you're in the green. Or if you took out everything, that's fine. That's perfectly understandable. That's what traders do. They try to get out of red and get into green and find something else. That's fine. But if you're still trying to get into the green mark, you gotta wait. All right. She has to fill a gap. She's either gonna fill this one or this one, but I think she's gonna at least attempt this one. Before she heads lower. So keep your eye before she bounces, and maybe she will go to the second one. So that's what we're looking at right now for CMGO. Now let's zoom in on CMGO. Let me show you what that looks like right there. You see that? She took out on the 10-minute win as lows here. 2 minutes left. Look at that. She's at 9.4. 148's getting smacked. 1.4's by 148. 610,000 shares traded. Remember, 1.6 million shares was removed yesterday. Anywhere from 135 to, from 1.3 to about 1.45, 1.42 after the news was reported by AXA. Just stood there. So 1.6 million just wouldn't get the fuck out of the way. Shell removed this morning. Well, guess what, my friends? 1.4 is at the bid now. All right. As more people realize the shell is removed, chances are the more of them are going to start attacking the ask. Okay. And for the shorts, I feel bad for it right now. But let's see what happens. 9.5's printing on CMGO. That's the high of the day right now for CMGO. Well, yeah. So 9.5's, and you should see CMGO pop up here real soon. We'll let her print 9.6 one time, and that's it. Okay, 9.5's by 9.6's. And here we go. We're gonna try to take off one more time, guys. Break those 9.6's. We're gonna try to take off. All right. I can't believe that this did that. Once she did this, once she broke all these levels right here, she did this. I knew she was gonna go up because the trend to the upside was broken, right? The short-term trend. And then when she did this, I was like, you motherfucker, you trying to trick people. And look at her. All right. 9699. There we go. All right. CMGO rallying again. CMGO is rallying again. Just give me a sec as I post about the CMGO. Okay. All right, Ivy. Give me a sec, guys. Okay. Bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. All right. posting about CFGO, sharing with my followers, and I just wrote CMGO going, not gone, just going up, and more up at 0.0095. All right, just being funny. All right. Just responding to a lot of messages that I had this morning. All right, look at that. Look at that war right here. Look at that, perfect. You gonna be choppy now? Yeah. She's gonna be choppy. She's only gonna be choppy for half the day. All right, this is her choppiness apparently. And bring this back here. All right, trading range. We want 9-9s. We want nine. Excuse me, guys. Apparently, just off today. We want 9-9s broken. Okay, we want 9-9s broken. That's fine. You could go to 9s. What she did the very first 10 minutes is marvelous. CMGO created that hammer at the top of high volume. People are gonna say it's a hangman. It's not a fucking hanging man. All right, not a hanging man at all. Especially with that gap up. You got to know the difference, my friends.